Hello class 7th. Once again I am K.N. Mishra. Welcome all of you in online classes of science. Class today I am going to start a new chapter, which is chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. Before this we have studied about nutrition in plants, how plants take nutrition. Students, as you know, maximum plants present on the surface of the earth, they are of autotrophic type. But unlike plants, animals, maximum animals are not autotrophic, they are heterotrophic types. Heterotrophic means those organisms which are not capable to prepare their own food on themselves. So, these organisms are known as heterotrophic. They obtain their food from autotrophic animals, from autotrophic organisms. Clear? So animals are heterotrophic and animals are holozoic also. What holozoic means here? Holozoic means when food intake process is carried out by many organs present, then such type of nutrition is known as holozoic mode of nutrition. If we take the example of human being, then human being used to take their food into the mouth, and from mouth it has to be carried into the stomach for proper digestion. So many organs are involved in food intaking process. So that mode of nutrition is known as holozoic mode of nutrition. But some animals which are unicellular animal, they used to take their food by the simple process of ingestion. Like in case of amoeba, food is ingested into the body cavity. Suppose this is an amoeba, this is the outer cell known as pellicle, and if food is present here, then food has to be ingested into the wall, into the pellicle. Food reaches here, and after that food cup is formed, and after that food vacuole is formed. This is food vacuole. This is food cup. So when food intaking process is this type, then it is known as ingestion. So animals are heterotrophic, animals are holozoic, and in animals a very special process is going on for the digestion of food. The process is known as digestion. I want to clear the digestion in one line. Breakdown of complex food material, complex substances लिख दे रहे हैं. Breakdown of complex substances into simpler substances with the help of some enzymes is known as digestion. Breakdown of complex substances into simpler substances with the help of some enzymes. The process is known as digestion. Clear? This is written in your book also. बुक में तो डायग्राम बना के लिखा हुआ है यही चीज़. यहाँ पे ये मैक्रो मॉलिक्यूल्स, बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स का ब्रेकडाउन जब स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल में या माइक्रो मॉलिक्यूल में किया जाता है, तो दिस इज नोन एज डाइजेशन. हाँ, टुडेज होमवर्क स्टूडेंट, राइट डाउन द वर्ड मीनिंग्स गिवन इन योर बुक in your CW copy. Note down these word meanings of chapter number 2, nutrition in animals, in CW copy. This is your homework for today. And nutrition in animals comes into science second, because it is a chapter from biology. So it comes into science second. Note down the word meaning in science second, not in science first. Clear? आगे आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है कि वेरियस ऑर्गेनिज्म टेक देयर फूड बाय वेरियस मेथड्स. इसमें एक एक्टिविटी दी हुई है, एक्टिविटी 1.1. इस एक्टिविटी 1.1 में एक्टिविटी 1 में दिया हुआ है कि मेंटेन द टाइप ऑफ फूड एंड वेरियस मोड्स ऑफ फीडिंग इन डिफरेंट एनिमल. यहाँ पे देखिए एनिमल्स के नेम दिए हुए हैं और इनके फूड का काइंड दिया हुआ है और मोड ऑफ फीडिंग दिया हुआ है. ये टेबल आपको पूरा करना है. एनिमल्स के नेम दिए हुए हैं और इनका क्या फूड हो सकता है वो लिखा हुआ है और टाइप ऑफ फीडिंग लिखा हुआ है. पहला वाला फिल किया हुआ है आपके लिए, ठीक है. जैसे पहला वाला लिखा हुआ है इसमें पैरामीशियम, इसका फूड है बैक्टीरिया यानी कि माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म, और मोड ऑफ टेकिंग फूड है सिंपल डिफ्यूजन. ऐसे ही आपको बाकी का फिल करना है कि इनका फूड क्या होगा और मोड ऑफ टेकिंग फूड क्या होगा. ये आपको फिल करना है, ठीक है. ये होमवर्क है आपका. और इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है डाइजेशन इन एनिमल. यही एक्टिविटी था, डाइजेशन इन एनिमल. क्लास वी विल स्टडी अबाउट डाइजेशन इन एनिमल्स इन लेटर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. This is all for today. Do your homework in time and share your homework to me for copy checking. Class, stay home, be safe. Thank you, class 7.